Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this JavaScript tutorial today I will show you how to create a custom method. So guys, if you are thinking what is custom method, so guys, first of all I will give you one example. What I am trying to show in this video. So first of all I will give you the example and then I will show you. So guys, suppose we have an array like arr. This is the variable name and array, and the value is a and b. Okay, suppose we want to check the length of this array, so what method we write? So there is the JavaScript pre-default method, that is array.length, like in a console. So console.log, and here if I write array dot length, simply if I write this one, so what will be the output exactly? So I will get the output 2, because this array the length is 1 and 2, so I will get the value is 2 in a console. So first of all I will check it once. So this is my project and I will open the console and just I will refresh. So here you can see I'm getting the output is 2, because this is the JavaScript pre-default method, that is length. But guys, how it's written length and we can access it, so that I will show you in this video. Actually not length, how to write this kind of method. You can write your own method, this kind of own method, so that I will show you. So suppose guys, and here just I will give you the one example, and based on this example you can write your own method. So first so I hope it's clear what I'm trying to show in this video. So now guys, suppose I will do one thing where, and the variable is string, and here suppose if I write like hello. Okay, this is the string. So now when I will print like this console.log and str dot like custom method, so if I write like this way, so now this is actually not a JavaScript pre-default method. Okay, and this method is not defined. It's not already defined, but I'm using. So now if I save this one and if I console here, so you can see custom method is not a function because it's not defined, but I used. So how we can do that? Like when I will write string dot this one, so that time it will return something, right? So how can do that? So that I will show in this video. So now I will remove the console first of all here. Again after that I will write it, but now I will remove. So guys, here you have to be understand what I'm trying to do. Here you can see I'm trying to use a method inside an string. This is a string. So here I want to use a method, custom method, which it's not already defined in JavaScript, like length, some other like slice, it's not already defined. I will write a custom method. So it's a string, so I will write a string because I want to add the method, our custom method, in this string value. So I will write a string dot prototype. Okay, so prototype, this is actually main thing in JavaScript is a prototype language. So this is the another topic. So in this video I will not go about the prototype, just you have to be remember when we create a custom method, just simply here we write this dot prototype, and now the method name. So method name, what we want to add? So we want to add method name, suppose custom method, which I was showing before. Like this custom method. So now what I will do? Function, this one. Okay, function, actually I will write here the anonymous function. So here I will write like this. Okay, this one. So you can create a like fate arrow function also, but here I'm using anonymous function like this way. And so this is the method. So now here I have defined a function. This one is a function, and when I will use this one in any kind of string, so that time it will return something. So what I will do, just here I will write return, and return, suppose if I write a string, that is my channel name, creative and dev lawful, like this way. Okay, so now I have created a custom method. This one you can write anything as per your choice. This one only you can write custom as well, like. Okay, so it's totally depend on you what you want to write here. Okay, and now, but guys, here you have to be remember this one, just you have to be write prototype, and where you want to add this custom method. Suppose you are creating a custom method for an array, like suppose here if array like this, a comma b, and when I will add this method, so that time it will return something, and where I want to add, so if I want to add the method inside an array, so now here we cannot write string, because now I'm creating a method for a array, so I will do here array like this. Okay, so in same way, if it would be an object and I want to create a custom method for an object, so that time I would write here object. Okay, so now here I will do everything step by step. So first of all, I want to create a method for string, so I will comment out this one and like this return, and now here I will write an alert, and inside an alert, so I will write str and dot, here I create a custom method, the name is custom method. Okay, and this is the method, because here you can see I have used a function. You can create a property also same way, but here I create a method, so this is the function, so here I have to be write like this. Okay, so you can see here it's same like a JavaScript pre-default method, like we get JavaScript pre-default method like slice, substring, like this. Okay, I hope you know. So these are the JavaScript pre-default method. When we write slice, so we can slice any string or any array. So same way I have created my own custom method. So now let's see when I will reload our page, so I will get alert message, and there I'm getting this one or not. Okay, so now refresh, so you can see I'm getting alert message and I'm getting our return value. So same way here, just for showing purpose, I have written a normal text message. Okay, but if you want to return something else, like when we write length, so it's return length, so that time you can write your logic here. You can simply write your logic and return the output. So then when you will add a custom method like this way, your created method, so you will get the output. Now suppose if you are creating, so if suppose here I have written string.prototype, so now if I write array, and if I comment this string, and now so arr, this is an array, I created a method for string, you can see here. So now if use here, if I use this method for this array, so let's see I will get the output or not. You can see custom method is not a function, because here I created this method for string only. So when I will use this method for the string, like str, this is the string value, you can see when I will use this method for string, so that time only I will get the output. Same like JavaScript pre-default method. Suppose any JavaScript pre-default method is used for string, so that you cannot use for the array, you will get an error. So same thing here. So now here suppose now again I want to create a custom method for array. So this method I will write the name custom arr. You can write your name also, anything you can write here. So now this method I want to create for an array, so arr, this one, and now I have an array variable, so here I want to use this method, this custom method, so arr, so okay, leave it this one. So I will comment this one, and I will create another alert message, so alert, and I want to use this method inside an array, so I have created an array variable, that is arr dot, and our custom method is custom arr. You can see when I'm writing dot, so you can see that it's showing a suggestion, you can see custom arr. Simply I will write an parenthesis, because this is the function. So now you will get, it will return this one. Okay, so save and reload. You can see now I'm getting this one. But say now this custom ARR, this is custom method I have created for an array. But now if we want to add this one inside a string, so now you will find it will get error same like so string. And now if I reload, so you can see custom ARR is not a function because I created this custom method for an array, but I'm trying to use inside a string, so I'm getting an error. So now this way you can create your own custom method. And if you here just I simply return any text. So if you want to add any logic, so you can write here and simply return this one. So then this way you can create your own custom method. So guys, if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, and if you want to get more this kind of updates, so please subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell icon.